Welcome traders. This tutorial is titled 4 Minutes Away from Intraday Trading Success. I have a very important question for you to ask yourself. If you had to rely on just one indicator for day trading or trading any time frame, especially intraday trading, what indicator would you rely on? Well, hopefully your answer is time, because time is the most important factor. Time is what determines when tops, bottoms, reversals happen in any time frame. Price is used is secondary. It's used to confirm when a top or bottom is unfolding. The most accurate form of support resistance is actually planetary support resistance based on the positions and harmonics of the planets. But support resistance is used to confirm when a top or bottom is unfolding. Doesn't get to the root cause of why it's unfolding or when it's going to unfold, and that's where time analysis comes into the picture. And we have to focus on time in this regards, and that's what this is all about here. So I have on the price chart here a 4-minute time frame, and the reason a 4-minute time frame is used is it's based on the rotation of the Earth. This is also what W.D. Gann recommended. And W.D. Gann also wrote extensively about time and how important that is, and price is secondary to time. The 4-minute chart works the best, I found, for intraday trading. You can also use a 3-minute or 5-minute. Now, here are all the key times calculated for Wednesday, April 8th. And I want to go over some of the big trades and the best entry technique for using these times. Now, the best thing about time analysis is it leads the market. So it's a leading indicator. It tells you in advance what's going to happen. It's not lagging and telling you when to get in or in a trade after the fact. It tells you in advance when to expect a turn or top or bottom. So the right entry technique also needs to be used when you're integrating time in your trading plan and using this to give you this special trading edge and timing edge during the day. And so just waiting that extra few minutes, because there's a few minute time orb around a key time, so just waiting an extra few minutes so that extra price bar can make all the difference in the world to confirm that and the direction that the market's turning. So first of all, I'd like to start with the 7:19 time. There's a Mercury-Uranus conjunction, and began to turn up. The next very strong time is at 7:33. We had a move down, and basically the market's trying to find a bottom in here. Now, I list sometimes as strong or very strong in terms of energy, and those are usually associated with bigger turns, bigger moves that happen during the day. Now I want to zoom in here, and as you can see here, the next time, 7:42, it starts to turn, but it wasn't until 7:54, the bar after that we really got the move up. And then it really took off the next bar after the 8:06 key time that was calculated. Now we got a pullback here. It looks like the trend's changing because the high of this bar is higher than the previous high. So the E-mini is starting to trend higher here, and we got a pullback, and it's coming down right into the Moon-Saturn conjunction at the very strong 8:29 key time. So this is a setup for another a trend change, reversal up again, because it's trending lower. It's coming back down into a key time. So the guidelines are, if it's trending lower into a key time, especially if it's at a planetary support level, you're looking for a bottom. And if it's trending higher into a key time confirmed at a planetary resistance level, that's a great setup for a top and a turn down again. So we got a pullback into the very strong 8:28 key time, and that was a big winner up. We got a continuation bar at 8:44. We got no sell signal quite yet. We got to turn down at the next 9:02 key time. Now, if you waited to the next bar, in the rule of waiting to the next bar for confirmation, we did get a move a few ticks higher, and then it came down. So this might have been a minor loss, a loser here. Now it came down here to 916. We got a minor move up, but here's the next big winning trade setup that just unfolds. At the next bar, the next key time, we get a turn down. Now we wait to the next bar for confirmation that this is a turn down. And lo and behold, here it is. It breaks out to the downside, and that's another big winner of the day. Now the time after 928 is 943. And here they are again. 928, 943 is a strong time. And the E-mini's coming down. It breaks out to the downside. So this is another period when we'll be looking for a bottom or reversal. And here's a 943 time, and that's right when it begins to turn up again. And it's not till the next bar that we begin to jump on this trade with another buy signal. And then it takes off again after the 956, 1002 time. Here's a top that came in a few minutes after the 1038 time, and then we get a turn down again. And as you can see, here are minor tops and bottoms unfolding at these times. We get another move up here after the 1242 key time. And then here's the FOMC minutes release. We get a strong breakout to the downside, an inside bar. And then here's the 103 to 108 key time period, which I indicated is very strong. So it's best to wait till the dust settles after that announcement. And here's when the bottom comes in, and this is actually a double bottom from earlier today. So it begins to turn up again, right? The bottom unfolds at 103 to 108, begins to turn up on the next bar. Now waiting to the next bar to be safe, and the high of this bar at 110 is taken out. To enter would be confirmation that we're getting a move up again. So when it begins to turn in here, you could jump on it, but in this case, to be safe, it's best to wait till the next bar. And that's when the high of this bar is taken out, and that confirms a reversal up again. The next key time is at 119, and that picked the top, another top, and that was a double top from the high that occurred at 8:58 in the morning. And then here are minor tops and bottoms, and we come down again, and a little bit of a congestion, consolidation, minor moves into the close. So this is time in action and how it works. Again, the guidelines are you're looking for tops, bottoms at these key times. If it's trending lower, you're looking for a bottom. You're waiting for the next price bar for the entry. A few ticks above the previous bar to go long, a few ticks below the previous bar to go short. Here's the 928 time again. Here's a sell signal right in here. Here's the low coming in. Here's the next key time, it turns up, and here's the buy signal in here again. Here's the 1038, a time to top. Here's 119, and here's the bottom at 103, 108 before that time. So if you're interested in learning more about how this works and to get that special trading timing edge, integrating this into your trading plan, I welcome you to try my 2-week trial of my Astro Timer, my daily Astro Timer. It calculates, these times are calculated in any time zone in the world you trade in. It alerts you in real time, and you see it on the screen. It turns red 4 minutes before the time and green at the time and beeps and in your time zone and helps you stay alerted in advance as a leading indicator when the best trade opportunities unfold. And it works in all markets. So you're invited to have try a 2-week trial of the Astro Timer. or any of my daily timing reports, I include the times as well as the forecasts and the planetary support resistance levels that you can include with the times of the day. And that just completes the picture when you have the planetary support and resistance levels that usually define the highs and lows of the swings and intraday tops and bottoms. So you're welcome to try a 2-week trial of any of my market timing reports for the E-mini S&P, gold, crude oil, or the euro. And that's at astroadvisor.com. So I'm going to check out here, and I hope you found this tutorial very educational, and it helps define how to use this approach and integrate it into your trading plan. Thank you for your time, and I wish you the best of trading success.